Number 1, show your work. 495 divided by 22. I'm going to do division a little bit differently in this problem. This might be a method that you've learned before, and maybe you've never seen this before, but I think this is a pretty neat way to do division that is a little bit different than what we've done. So let's see. The way I'm going to do it is I'm going to put a nice long line here, and I'm going to find out how many 22s are in 495. I know that 22 times 10 is 220. And I know that 22 times 20 then is 440 because I double that. So here I'm going to put a 20 over here. I'm going to say, well, I'm counting how many 22s are in 495. I know there's at least 20 because that would be 440. And I'm going to subtract 5 minus 0 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. So now let's see. I know that, 22 and 22. So 22 times 2 is 44. So let's do two 22s. 22 times 2 is 44. So there's 2 more 22s we're taking out. And now I have 11 left. Now I know that 11 is half of 22. So I'm going to end up with a half of 22. A half of 22 times 1/2 times 22 is 11, and we subtract, we get 0. Our quotient then for this problem, the amount of 22s that fit into 495, is all 3 of these added up. So our answer will be 22.5. Let's see, 22.5 or 22.5. And let's check it. 22.5 times 22. Don't have to line up our decimal with multiplication. We would for addition and subtraction. 5 times 2 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 2 times 2 is 4. Add my 0, go on times 20 now. 5 times 2 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And we've got our 4 again. 0, 5, 9, 4. Move our decimal 1 time to the left. We've got 495. So that does check out. Our answer is 22.5. It's a pretty neat way to do division. It's kind of like using repeated subtraction, where we just subtract 22 over and over and over and over and over again, but we take a little shortcut because we do know that if I take away 440 out of here, well, I just took out 20 22s, and then it left me with 55, and I took out 2 more, which was 44. And then I had remaining just 1 little half of a 22. So there's my answer. There's my quotient, 22.5.